At Mountain View Solar, we have always believed that solar equipment, solar panels, help people. And we've wanted to help people since the beginning of our company's days. We've wanted to help people in our local community, in our state of West Virginia, all across the United States, and internationally. So when we heard about Water Missions International and the work that they do around the world, we knew that this was the organization that we needed to partner with. The project that we completed in Charleston, South Carolina was a 100 kilowatt PV project. That's over 400 Solar World solar panels. This project would normally take about 3 weeks to install with an average solar company. So we had anywhere from 50 to 100 volunteers that had never seen a solar panel before. And we coordinated that effort to get this large project done in just 4 days. And then we turned the switch on and it all worked. Solar is going to help Water Missions International by eliminating a $1,000 a month electric bill. So that $1,000 goes directly into producing the equipment that then they send around the world to supply clean and safe drinking water in third world countries. And that gives 100 people a month, each and every month. 100 people get clean and safe drinking water. So at the end of the first year, 1,200 people now have access to clean and safe drinking water. And that will continue for the next 40 or more years. That's the kind of impact we're talking about with this project we put together in Charleston, South Carolina.